these are your Making Memories dies. Now these dies here are going to create these beautiful books, lovely contour on them. Okay, now you can make them with a spine, you can make them without a spine. We've made a video for you. If you don't want to use a spine, just have a look. There's a video there showing you how to make them without the spine. But in this video, we're going to show you how to actually use the spine. Now, what does the spine look like? This here is your spine die. Okay, now this allows you to be able to get that professional finish on your book. So let's go ahead and show you how to incorporate the spine into that die collection. So what we have done is we have taken two of, let's get it off the magnetic sheet, two of this die here. Okay, that's formulated my book cover, and I've just trimmed it down the side there so it's out of the page. We've then taken the decorative dies that come in that lovely collection, and you can see there how many of those beautiful dies you've got to go at, all the mats, the layers and everything else. So you can see we've used this interior die here to make that edge. So let's cover the front cover and the back cover. So we're just going to incorporate some adhesive on that little edge. That is quite a nice little edge for you to be able to put your glue on. So we're just coming round, adding your adhesive onto there, and then that is going to sit nice and proud in the middle of there. And we're going to do the same with the other one. This time I'm going to do the Jodie glue, okay, because it's so much quicker. So let's just add some adhesive on there, and let's do that one. So that's my front and my back cover. So to make the actual spine, we take the same die cut, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut from here to here on both of them. So let's bring in the paper trimmer, and we're literally going to go, and we're chopping it off. Because it's the same die, it's going to give us the same size to be able to use on our book. Okay, so let's bring in a scoreboard, and I like to work on a 1/4 inch. So I'm just giving myself a 1/4 inch score line. We're going to come in and we're going to add our tape. So this is then going to stick onto one of either the front or the back. You know, it doesn't matter at this stage. So we're going to take that, I'm going to place it into there, and we've got the front. Okay, now this is where the fun begins. This is what your spine cuts out. You've got all the score lines in there. Okay, now at this stage what you need to do is you need to take the size of your pages, these are my pages, you need to place it on and find where you need to cut, what size you need to cut. So we lay it on, we put a little line where the size of our page is, and then we're going to come in and we're going to trim that just shy of that line. So now that there is the beginning of my spine. So I flip it over, I take my high tack, and we're literally going to place a piece of high tack. I don't know whether you'll be able to see it, but there's little dots on where the mounting folds are. Okay, so you're going to put a piece of tape just down where those little dots are, and they indicate where your mounting folds are. So last one here. So each of your spines will make a 3 spine segment. So it'll give you the possibility of putting 3 pages in. but you can make this as big or as small as you want. You can make them big, you can make them smaller. So red liner tape, fold it over, and then all you do is bring the other components back up. So you've now got that lovely mountain fold in the middle. Same with your next one. Fold it over. So you've got dot to dot. Bring it up. The next one. Fold it over. And then bring it up. So that there is how you make that spine. Now, if you want to make that spine bigger, all you would do is make another one and stick it onto the edge. So literally, you can make as many page segments as you want just by increasing the size of your spine. So, taking my spine, I have some high tack on the back of this one. So all we're going to do is take that off there. Come on. Let's have a go at the other end, see if the other end's being more friendly. No. Slowly, slowly, there we go. So this now, I'm going to place right up to that score line on that front cover. So making sure that I'm equal, top and bottom, and I'm placing that down. So I've now got my spine in the middle. So when we come to putting our pages on, I just tape across the bottom. Come on. And then I offer it up. Okay, I don't know which is the best way for you to see it, probably that way. So I offer it up and then stick it in. The same with the next one. Now this one I want to have a top opening. So I'm going to apply my adhesive onto those 3 edges. I'm going to turn this round, start at the top, line up your top, offer it up to your hinge, and you've instantly got your first page. So the next one. Thank you. Offer it up, stick it in. Same with this one. So remember, this one's going to have some openings. So now place that one in, offer it up and stick it down. And you're just working your way through, as I say, as many pages as you want. But this is how to use your hinge, okay? The hinge does give you a professional finish. It really does. It makes the book complete. So last page. Offer it at the top so you're nice and level at the top. Close it off at the bottom. So we've got our pages in. So let's bring our little scoreboard in, because we need the back cover on now. So on this one, I'm literally going to go down where that spine is, like so. I'm going to cut myself a glue tab of 1/4 of an inch. So I'm going to come in, I'm going to put my little line onto the 1/4. So I've now got my glue tab, and I'm going to bring in my tape. Let's just flip that over, it's going to be easier. Place my tape on there. Take the red carrier sheet away. No, it's not. There it is. So let's take that one away. Stick on our back cover And then to hide our gubbins on the inside, we just take another one of those die cuts, place one over the top of the other. Let's go to the back and do the same on that one. Like so. And that then, you have got your memory book using the spine, okay? It gives you a perfect spine in there with no problem at all. So with the spine, or check out the other video which is going to show you how to use it without the spine.